Well, hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me on Jay's Learning School. I'm Jay, and I'm excited about teaching you English on today. And today we're going to learn about 11 basic colors. That's right, 11 basic colors. And so this is going to be a really brief video. Make sure you turn the closed caption on as we're going to have some fun and help improve your English on today. Now, I always do at the beginning of the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would really help the growth of my channel. And when you subscribe, when you like, of course, I'll continue to make more videos to help you speak English. Let's get into today's lesson. Our first color that we're going to learn is black. 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 Red. 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 White. 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 Blue. 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 Green. 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 Purple. 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 We're winding it on down with our list of colors that we're learning. Let's go to the next one. Brown. 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 Orange. 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 Gray. 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 Pink. 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 And our last color for today is yellow. 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 Well, I told you it was going to be a quick video today. Make sure you go back and watch today's video 2 or 3 times because it will help you become more fluent in speaking these colors in English. As always, if you have a comment, please leave me a comment. If you have learned something today, please leave me a like. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And when you do these things, it lets me know that you're learning and you're enjoying the videos. And of course, I will continue to make videos to help you speak better English. With that being said, as I always say, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you share with a friend, like, comment, and check out my other videos that I have here on the channel. Have a wonderful day, and may God bless you.